A new program comprising 7 contemporary art exhibitions began on Thursday at Greece's National Museum of Contemporary Art, Athens. It will run until October 30, 2022. The museum is collaborating with Chinese institutions as the two countries have been celebrating the China-Greece Year of Culture and Tourism. A Greek official says cultural exchanges bring Greece and China closer.
Cultural exchanges open new windows in our minds and in our, the way we see the world. We become better citizens and better people because we open our minds to new ideas and new concepts. We're very happy that actually this year is a year of intense Greek-Chinese exchange in the field of culture, because this, I feel, will bring our two nations closer together. So it is important to honor the past and the present, and to honor different cultures and be open to different ideas around the world.
The museum's artistic director says a public museum has a role to play in reflecting social issues.
I think that a public museum has a duty to deal with issues that are important to society. And this museum's focus will be on both socio-political questions, on environmental questions, on some of the issues that we consider most burning and most critical today. I very much believe in the role of the public museum as a motor for education, for knowledge production, for creating social awareness.